Alright, so we're currently here on our MS Excel, and currently I have a data set here which are 45, 67, 78, 90, 56, 78, 90, 34, 23, 56, and 89. So this will be our data set to be used for this tutorial regarding the min and max function. Okay, so first of all, let's try to have the information, basic information regarding these two different functions. So let's try to check or to click rather this fx, then min. Base here, min returns the smallest number in a set of values. This ignores the logical values and text. So returns the smallest value, meaning min stands for minimum. No, and our set of values or data set is actually here on the column B of our MS Excel. Now, for the max, this is actually the counterpart of the min function of MS Excel, wherein the max returns the largest value in a set of values, or the maximum. Max stands for maximum value. So this ignores logical values and text. I hope you get it, guys. So let's have now our functions, min and max application in our MS Excel. So let's try right here min and max. Okay, so upon manually checking, the minimum value here is, let's check 45. Is there any lower number than 45? 34, 23. So the minimum will be 23. So this must actually result to 23 equals, let's input equals, then min. Then highlight this data set from B1 up to B11. It is now actually our reference. Then close the formula using, of course, closing parentheses. Then enter. Upon entering, the answer must be 23, since by manual checking, our minimum value is 23. Okay, so let's click the button enter. Alright, so meaning we are right, 23. This is actually more applicable if we are dealing with hundreds and thousands of data, where manual checking of data, what is the minimum, manually checking it will be very tedious on our part. Yes, okay, so we are using the min function. Okay, so in contrary, we have now the maxed function. Let's have here manual checking first, for us to be able to compare our result manually, and of course using the function max. So 45, any number greater than 45, 67, yes it is. 78, yes it is greater than 67. 90, yes. 56, no. 78, no. 90, 34, 23, 56, 89. So in our case, we have tie. We have two highest number, or we have two largest number, which are both 90. So meaning to say, upon having our maxed function here equals, then click max, the answer must be 90. Okay, so let's highlight this, B1 going to B11, then closing parenthesis to close the formula. Upon entering, the answer must be 90. Okay, so meaning to say we are correct. That is basically how we do, or how we apply the min and max function of MS Excel in our data manipulation. Alright, so I hope you learned something from this short video tutorial, my friends. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, of course the notification bell, and share this video to your friends, especially those friends who are currently exploring the MS Excel functions. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you on our next upload. Bye-bye!